Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. So we finally get to give you a video of a completed job. This was a complete house remodel. 3 new bathrooms, new kitchen, new electrical, new plumbing, new floors. We'll kind of walk you through crown molding, special window sills that we put in, new baseboard. You can kind of get a look, put in stack stone on the fireplace. Let's take a walk through of what we have here. Let's take a look at the kitchen. We have quartz countertops here. We have what's called a waterfall finish coming down the sides. We have room for our benches that are over here for stools. And you can see we have a nice full exposed hood, and we've brought up our backsplash material up behind the hood. We've got a nice beautiful corner counter. What you can't see in here is there are under cab lights in here. We of course have an over sink light. We have a built-in cutting board and drainage system inside the sink. Of course, all the new appliances. You can see this has got a full built-in look. We have side panels on both sides. These are all brand new wood cabinets there. This is a nice accent, the corner cabinet with the glass see-through in here. Very nice, beautiful, open feeling. We've got the pendant lights that come down here. We have a matching dining room light. We're kind of not big fans of hanging chandeliers, so we're tending more towards ceiling mount type fixtures that look a lot cleaner and, quite frankly, not only look a lot nicer, they have a lot more flexibility. You can see the crown molding in here. This happens to be a beautiful color called San Francisco Fog. It's kind of a grayish, even a hint of blue. You'd have to see the color. Very, very nice, pleasing to the eye. Offset with Swiss coffee. Stack stone picks up on the colors. This is a bamboo flooring. This happens to be a product by Cali Bamboo, which we've become very big fans of. It's a very high quality engineered flooring. And if we kind of continue the tour down here, we've got a nice custom transition from the front hallway down into this area here. And something nice that we did here, there used to be a horrible, like kind of ugly cabinet in here, and we ripped it all out. And if you want to call it a kind of it's not a wet bar, but a service bar, more room for storage of stuff. If you have company over, great place to put drinks and bottles of wine and stuff like that, and not take over the kitchen. So that's a pretty nice feature. We're pretty happy with that. We also have, if you look, where did I see it, remote control to change the lights inside the cabinet and dim it and all that kind of nice stuff. We have what's growing in popularity for our remodels is a built-in microwave drawer. And let's see if I can do that. Ooh, look at that, pretty cool. So instead of having a big ugly thing up here eating into your cabinets, this is a nice clean way to do it. You can actually see the food a lot better, and once you get used to it, people love these. So it's a microwave drawer. I'm gonna push the close button and you can kind of see how that works there. A very clean, sophisticated look. We have a handleless dishwasher, which is a lot cleaner. Let's see, what else can I point out in here in the kitchen? Beautiful hood, obviously freestanding. So let's go take a look at what's happening over here in the back rooms. In the back rooms here, we have the 1 bedroom here that is complete. We have brand new sliding mirrors. You'll notice there are recessed lights and dimmers throughout the whole house, along with the trim and the blinds. Pretty much when we do these remodels, we put dimmers on everything. And this is one of the brand new bathrooms. We've got brand new tile on the floor. This is a porcelain tile, brand new shaker cabinets. This here is the cultured marble in a granite finish with a built-in bowl, which is really, really nice, and it ties in with the colors that are on the rest of the surround of the house in this bathroom. This is the granite color surround, and notice we brought the surround up all the way around to the ceiling. It makes the bathroom feel bigger. It's a cleaner look than leaving kind of a foot gap that's painted. There's a lot of custom features and doodads that are in here. Built-in soap niche over here, a big one for shampoo, small one over here. I've got a built-in recessed medicine cabinet. So those are just kind of a few features. A unique part of this house is the back bedroom here has its own private kind of ensuite bathroom. So for someone that has an extended family, this is great. This is another beautiful custom bathroom. You can see the beautiful granite colored cultured stone that we put in.